The glorious times when both Apple and Samsung had $500 flagships, and carriers had $300 subsidies to spare. Samsung's flagship smartphones started at $500 for the original Galaxy S, for instance, while Apple's double trouble went from $500 for the iPhone 2 to $999 for the iPhone X. Well, Samsung just made its newest Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus official, and the handset's prices are really closing in on Apple's tags. The fans of iOS, however, don't really have where to go, as Apple has a monopoly in the field, while the Android universe is vast and very price-conscious. In any case, the Galaxy S9 features a RIM-agent variable aperture camera, faster chipset, and new color options, while the S9 Plus adds a dual camera for the first time in the flagship S-line history, but all that jazz won't come cheap, as you can see from the pricing breakdown below. Sprint hasn't announced its S9/Plus prices yet, but both handsets will be included in the Galaxy Forever program, so stay tuned. Release date: the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be available starting March 16th worldwide in midnight black, titanium gray, coral blue and the brand new lilac purple color. Pre-orders are starting on Friday, March 2nd, and those who pre-order early will have their handsets shipped on March 9, a week before the official launch date.